now, most of you people who know how to figure out in a comment section. That's not my business. That's not my business. The main thing in Jamaica is harmful. I was very happy to see the Yorubas, both the Christians, all of them join hands together. I'm telling you the truth that some of the Igbo Christians, they don't mind about this biafra agitation now. Because of the what you people are doing now. I'm going to time for religious destiny. And I walk against Christianity. You can help their business. But on my own concern, the freedom fighters. That is a problem. That is a problem. You people should not be supposed to be talking all those things. We're not supposed to focus for what you people are looking for. In the population in Igbo land, in the Igbo Christians, there are many. I can do tradition. And Igbo Christians, they are not against biafra's agitation. But why are you people now returning, fighting against them? Trying to burn all the churches, trying to wipe them away. The same Christianity in the Igbo na practice back and do Yoruba Christians na practice na Yoruba. Forget the here on Nako, and do Yoruba Christians at the America. The same thing, they are doing the same thing. Even urban will do the one nations, Undo men and Akankole. They are not, some of them are there at church. Some of them don't time for church. They have no time for church. They focus their attention to fight for their freedom. The Christians are joining Alpha and I move. Look at it. Can you eat? Oh my God. Look at it. And in the post recent book, the #1 media in the Yoruba Nation Jaga, in the Yoruba Nation Jaga. Look at what they post.
Lead this. Yoruba Nation Christian Association, President 2024 Yoruba Awareness Prayer Revival Team, God of Yoruba Land, Yoruba must be free. Do you see? This is a Christians. This is a Christians. Here are only Christians na Yoruba land. But can this thing happen to Igbo land, Biafra? Because now they are now fighting against Christianity in Igbo land. Not
Listen
all
to me, let me tell you something. According to the enemies of Igbos, are very, very happy. This Igbo and the Biafra this time. They are very, very happy on it. How far the way Haggis will not support Nkewa, they will be sponsoring it in Nkewa Nado. I've been saying this thing. Speaking about it. Let all this Biafra agitation, let them forget all this things, let them move on. And a high color. They don't agree. This court one court something like that. I saw some of our Igbo Christians, Indo tradition, when they preach their prayer, only Christians are among them. Only Christians are among them. I said, okay, can I use in the name of Jesus? Through Jesus' name. I be the fight against him. But on our bang, surrender men and where they pray. Or losers in form of Christianity. If I fight against him, I want to be a court. I want to be a court. The Christians in the Monoquaba, the men and one man, I will try to name every day. Let me post the picture of this man. I will Benjamin. I don't know the man. I don't know the man. The other Benjamin. I will try my best to post the picture of this man. I can name every day. I forget the name of that man. Other Benjamin. I will post the picture. Also, the book of the man. And then after this man has somebody. My honey, man. I want them. In fact, Igbo no problem. In front of Camilla, your brother's son were on another my Igbo. I don't know. We have serious problem. I am unable this will solve. I want to follow this page. Watch your video now. Christian Association of Yorubas. You are born to Yoruba Christians, but are in the market. They preach about Yoruba nation, that is Oduduwa. They came out today, the Christians. I'm talking about the Christians. Now, let me ask you a question. Ichele, no na ndu neme Oduduwa agitation, no na ha bido na akpalindu Christians, onendo putra for Biafra agitation, both freedom fighters, but right now, ha turn go to religious fighter. The way ndu Igbos are fighting. Ndị Igbo for Biafra are fight Christians na Igbo. Do you think na ọ bụ na ndị Yoruba na-eme that thing? China and the Christians are ga-apụta do bold pụta na preach about Yoruba nation. Amara m the problem of ndị Igbo. Number one, ọ bụrụ Christianity, ọ bụrụ Christians ndị Igbo ji ka Biafra ghara ịbịa. But I don't know the reason some of you, 80% of you people, or 90% of you people, happily to fight for freedom. Now, on our turn, religious fighters now fight Christianity in Igbo land, trying to wipe Christianity in Igbo land. On our the most important thing on the fight, and the most important thing for these Biafrans, all the Igbo Christians go on Hazum. Even I myself, who an evangelist, all the Igbo Christians go on Hazum. I get with a high job. Igbo Christians are against Biafra agitation. Igbo Christians are against Inweta Biafra. They are not against it. But why are you people fighting them? Now, Igbo, the most confused tribe in Nigeria, you will not believe what I'm saying. Igbo Christians, Igbo Christians now fighting against Biafra agitation. I'm telling you the truth. But they are not fighting the agitation. But why are you people now fighting them? Whether like Jesus says Europe or Jerusalem or Jamaica, that's not your business. That is not your business. When I saw this video, watch the video. If I put Yoruba Christians, Hindu Christians, Yoruba, and this media, listen, this media that you are seeing, this page. Anything open your number one page in the Yoruba Nation move. Anything open you have number one page. Even Sunday but which is also open. You have number one page how you move. You have number one page how you move. How you use how you pass na social media. Do you see how these people were bold? That they are Christians, so have no tradition. And even a Yoruba, only no tradition. There are many. Hindu Christians, there are many. Ndu omenala ndị Yoruba ka omenala ndị Igbo ọbịa n'ọnụọgụ ndị Christians ndị great pastors ministers of God onwe na Yoruba ha do many karịa nke ndị Igbo ha do popular ha all over the world. But why ha ji wee nwe love? Why ha ji love each others? Why Oduduwa nation ha did fight Christians in Yoruba land? Why? They are not fighting Christians in Yoruba land. No matter in some things, I'm na peace I know. But these people forget all those things, focus on their target to get their freedom. But in Igbo, happens a fight in Biafra, now fight is in Igbo Christians. They live with how happens the most important thing how they fight. Upon Christians in Igbo, fight for Biafra. Light. About us. But Igbo Christians are fooling. Even some ministers of God in Igbo I know many of them. There are many to show you that their support in this Biafra agitation when I have to see. In fact, I'm telling the truth. Look at them. Ndị Yoruba Christians go do the one azụ. Ndị omenala ndị Yoruba go do the one azụ. They love themselves. They are moving forward. But ndị Igbo is better than Igbo. Nkewa. I'm not talking about Matthias Ezak. Listen to me. Matthias Ezak will right to say whatever I want to say because Matthias Ezak after for Biafra. Yes. All the Igbo support Biafra, I know. But no one after for Biafra agitation. Matthias says that we can have the problem those people now how these Biafras now how Biafra. In fact, don't have freedom fighters. We get Facebook page, Twitter, Instagram. For how to see how God na bari Christians na bari ndo munefe na haso we na fight Biafra na bari see na fight now the way how you see we church oko me mba ndị Igbo hey oburu okwu akara ma ga eji we gugwa osa